Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can put cosine 2x and cosine 2x square everything to the power of 2. Because number 2 with number 2 we have number 4. 4 with number 1 we have number 5. So we have the formula in here. So we put this one go to the right. Cosine 2x square, that is about 1 minus sine 2x square. Next, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 cosine 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. Cosine 2x dx we change for this one. Now we need to expand this one. So u square multiplied by this one, and this one. So we got u to the power of 6, u to the power of 4, and u to the power of 2. And now we have the formula in here. So this one we got like this. So we put number 2 go in here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. 4 plus 1 we have number 5, and so on. About u, that is about sine 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.